Good morning. We're going to look at some examples of poetry. And I have a poetry book that my class made a few years ago. And we named it Our Poetry. It was written and illustrated by my class. And this was a shape poem that one of my students wrote. This was by Charlie. The sun, orange and yellow, big, bright, shiny, and round. And he also wrote a color poem, and we're going to learn how to write these today. It's orange. This was his favorite color by Charlie. Orange is a color of the sun. Orange is a fruit. Orange is a color. Orange is a bright and happy color. Orange smells like orange juice. Orange tastes like sweet and sour. Orange sounds like nothing. Orange feels like summer. Orange looks like people's hair. Orange makes me happy. Orange is my favorite color. It's good to look at other people's examples of poems to get ideas. And this is by Bryce. And this is Blue by Bryce. This is another color poem. Blue is the sky. Blue is a marble. Blue is a shoe. Blue is a line. Blue tastes like yucky stuff. Blue smells like blueberry. Blue sounds like a bird. Blue feels like goo. Blue looks like the sky. Blue makes me feel good. Blue is my favorite color. He illustrated that one. And then Griffin wrote one about purple. Moses wrote one about red. Describe the color red. And Kinsley wrote about the color yellow. Viviana wrote about the color purple. Then Mamie wrote about pink. Katie Beth, purple. Kaylee wrote about the color aqua. And this is a different one. I'm going to read this one to you. Aqua by Kaylee. Aqua is a new crayon. Aqua is like the sea. Aqua is like an Easter basket. Aqua is pretty. Aqua tastes like slushies. Aqua smells like the beach. Aqua sounds like splashing water. Aqua feels like slime. Aqua looks like Easter eggs. Aqua makes me happy. Aqua is my favorite color. And Caitlin wrote about pink. Savannah, purple. Merritt wrote about green. She drew a beautiful illustration. Then we have a spring poem. And this was a haiku by Charlie. Spring is here right now. I go swimming in the spring. I really like spring. And then Daisy. This is a descriptive poem about his dog. Has eyes brown as a brown crayon. Fur brown as a brownie, tongue pink as lipstick, fast as a cheetah. And throughout that whole poem, he had examples of what? Yes, simile, compared to like and as, two different things. Then we had some Easter poems. Okay. This is an interesting poem. Wind, and this is by Caitlin. A horse's tail flows in the wind and swooshes, whooshes, and flooshes. That has an example of onomatopoeia because those are words that actually make the sounds that they sound like. So we haven't been over that yet together. And then Caitlin Mingo, soft, squeezable, and huggable. Squishy, bushy, and stubby. That was her pet. Can't remember if that was her cat or her dog. Then we have some beautiful illustrations through here. Okay, this is Fire by Moses, and this is a poem that is describing fire. The fire blazing hot, like the dog blazing, fast zooming across the land, like the fire blazing and the dog zooming like fire. So we could call this a comparison poem. He's comparing the fire to the dog, two unlike things, so it would be a simile poem because it compares with like or as. Sun by Savannah. The sun spreads its wings like a bird in the morning. The bird sings loudly in the morning. So that would also be a simile poem, wouldn't it? The sun spreads its wings like a bird. It's comparing the sun and the bird. More Easter poems. Springtime. And this is a poem that Bryce wrote. Ninja, this was his cat. She has green eyes. She is the highest jumping cat I have ever seen. So that's a descriptive poem about his cat. And this is by Viviana Marshmallow. His fur is white. His eye color is blue. He is very fluffy. That was her cat. So it's a descriptive poem about her cat. Trying to find just maybe two more to read to you. So here is an acrostic poem. She wrote her name, Caitlin. Caring, adventurous, igniting with happiness, telling others funny stories, learning every day, icing a cake, nice hair. Moses wrote one. Moses, M, magnificent, O, on the I, intelligent, S, super, E, excellent, and then S, spectacular. Let me read you one more that Katie Beth wrote. This is The Wind. The wind is my dog. The wind runs across the field on big dog feet. He fetches the kites on the warm summer days, his warm breath on my face, and then he goes away. So she's comparing the wind to her dog, but she says the wind is my dog. So that wouldn't be a simile, that would be a what? That would be a metaphor. So here are some examples. Why don't you go and try to write an example that we have learned about? Haiku, simile, metaphor. So we have types of poetry, which would be like the haiku and the quatrain and the cinquain. And then we have types of figurative language, which would be the simile, the metaphor, the personification. And we're going to learn about another one today. We're going to learn about idioms today. And you can actually write those words in your poems to make beautiful poems as well. I will talk with you later.